He's my father, my mentor, my guide. He's everything. And I wouldn't be here after so many flops if it was not for him. That's all I can say. I'll only say one line, that it's because of him that sometimes, even if I'm mediocre, it shines. And it wouldn't have happened otherwise. मैं तो 4 साल का था तब से भट्ट साहब की नकल करता था सेट पे, और देखा जाए तो आज भी करता हूँ, लेकिन फिल्मों में करता हूँ. He's my father, my mentor, my guide. He's everything. And I wouldn't be here after so many flops if it was not for him. That's all I can say.
बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है ये सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट. बिल्कुल दिल से आया है. इट्स सच एन ऑनर. आई एम श्योर मेरे लिए नहीं, हर किसी के लिए जो यहाँ पे आपको देख रहा है. अच्छा जी. सो I know. I just didn't want to disturb the frame. Right. So. मेरी बोलती बंद हो गई है. Okay, but साहब, you know, every single time, है ना? 50 साल, 5 डेकेड से ज्यादा, जैसा मैंने कहा, लोगों को इंस्पायर करते आए. अब जब आप किसी फिल्म को बैक करते हैं, तो वो सिनेमा आपके लिए क्या होता है, क्या देख के होता है कि हाँ, मेरा नाम जुड़ना चाहिए इसके साथ?
In love, there is no choice. There's no choice. So when you love someone, he has the right to use, misuse, abuse, do what he wants with my name. But that's what love is. I'm very proud of this boy. Doesn't look like a boy, but he's a boy. क्योंकि ये अपने आप में एक रहस्य है. क्योंकि इस इंडस्ट्री में अपने आप को बार बार रीडिफाइन करना, रीइन्वेंट करना, ये आसान काम है नहीं. To be here for 35 years and to move from the idiom, which is a very strong, certain idiom which the market has acknowledged you for, which is horror, and to come into an intimate space where the heart beats, the soul cries, and to pull out the story from the life of a living person who is amidst us is a challenge which not an ordinary heart can take up. In these times where intimate cinema is almost extinct, I think barring, Anupam Kher, who has made Tanveer great, I don't think there are many people who make films like this. So I think in this age and time, this boy had the courage, the audacity to back a story of a man who himself has been audacious. He himself has led a life which is quite audacious, and he has lit up so many homes with what he has contributed. And the stream of that was lit by his, I would not call her late, his present wife. His wife is always there with him. So I think such stories are rare to find in these sensation-seeking age, to find a person, a filmmaker who feels very comfortable in the horror idiom. He says, no, let me let go of my crutches and let me dive into that place where people come to experience movies. Ultimately, in the darkness of the auditorium, people want to see a journey into a human heart. And I think Tumko Meri Kasam is an explosion for Vikram Bhatt. It's not an ascent. Normally people rise. I think he explodes. He explodes. And that's why I'm here. And I'm here to back him till thy kingdom come.
Thank you so much, sir.